Frants. And let's see today how to cut out in Videoshop the images, the object which are going to be okay for stop motion animation. Okay, this is our project and I have two images of this gorilla monkey, and you see the movements are only at the top part and bottom is still, it's not moving. So I will use, let's go to the first image, and I will use the tool which I love mostly in Photoshop, object selection tool. So I'm selecting my gorilla, copying and creating new file. And despite Photoshop propose me some dimensions, some sizes of new file, I will change them onto 1920 by 180 in order to have exactly the same sizes of images, nothing to be different, to have no new complications, new details that have to be fixed. So, and here I'm do paste. Now I have to clean up my gorilla from all those elements roundabout, so let's do it. Don't forget when you are doing this erasing to release left click of your mouse in order to stop the process, because if you will do some mistake like that, then by Ctrl Z you will go back and you don't have to repeat big part of your work. So I think we're done. Let's see. Yeah, this gorilla is ready to be used, and let's save it like gorilla1, for example, PNG file. Okay, it's done. Now let's go to the next gorilla. So we are selecting it with selecting tool. I love this tool. Yeah, hopping, and let's go to our ready PNG file. So, and do paste. Even paste special in place. As you know, in new Photoshop it doesn't work always, so we'll do free transform and try to do it very precisely. Let's open our layers. Now, as you remember, the difference between two gorillas is only in position of your top part. So the bottom part will be the same. In order to save your time and not to clean it so long time, and the main idea is everything to be precisely the same, because it will be stop motion and any difference will be rude, will be not good. So what I'm doing, there are two layers here. First layer, on the first layer is gorilla, which is okay, and which bottom part will use. So I'm going to the top, to the second layer, and I am erasing its bottom part and the hand, everything which is not moving. As I said, release sometimes the left click of your mouse, not to do double work later, to keep what, to save what is done well. Okay, I think that's it. Now let's go to layer number 1 and do the same. Let's erase what was before. Oh, you see, now I have to do it again. Okay, now let's go to our layer number 2 and do some cleaning stuff with our eraser. Okay. Okay, and let us save. You can merge layers and save our gorilla like gorilla 2 PNG. Okay. Okay, now let us see. Let's open both gorillas. I think it works for stop motion. So the bottom part. And you see we save a lot of time for cleaning, for cutting out the gorilla 2. If you want, I put the link for my movie I did with this gorilla on my another channel, movie channel, and you can see how it works. Thank you for staying with me and hope to see you soon. Bye!